Matapos ang umano'y aksidenteng sinapit ni Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili noong June 8 sa bayan ng Dipakulaw, Aurora, pinabulaanan ng presidente ng Ateneo de Manila University na si Roberto Yap ang mga espekulasyon na mayroon umano silang inilabas na gag order para manahimik ang ilang sangkot o kasama sa naturang team building.
We would also like to address the increasing distortion of facts circulating in public regarding Ateneo's alleged prior knowledge of safety risks and accusations of institutional intimidation. An initial review of university records show absolutely no complaints, warnings, or communications regarding student safety in this matter, nor was there anyone asked to be silent about this.
Nilinaw din ng Ateneo de Manila University na hindi umano paraan ng pakikipag-areglo ang ginagawa nilang pagtulong sa mga naulilang pamilya.
Ateneo has offered full assistance and support to the Adili and Baterbonia families to cover all financial, emotional, and long-term burdens arising from this tragedy. This is not a legal settlement. It is our moral obligation.
Dagdag pa ni Yap, may tauhan din ng Ateneo de Manila University ang nakipag-ugnayan kaagad sa pamilya ni Rene at Divine matapos ang aksidente na ikinasawi ng dalawang student athlete. Ayon pa sa Ateneo University President, sila mismo ang nakipag-ugnayan sa pamilya at nag-asikaso sa pagbiyahe ng mga labi papunta ng Maynila.
Masasabi ko lang na there was somebody from Ateneo who spoke to her on the very night it happened. We were the ones who arranged that they be picked up right away from Aurora and be brought back to Manila. In fact, by the evening of that day, there was already an ambulance that came and we arranged all of that.
Samantala, ngayong araw naman ay ipinatatawag ng National Bureau of Investigation ang lahat ng mga sangkot sa naturang drowning incident sa Dipakulaw, Aurora. Kabilang na rito si dating Ateneo Blue Eagles basketball team coach Thomas Antonita Baldwin. Benedict Samson, humahataw sa balita ngayon.